Hi kids! Welcome to Happy Artsy Kids. So today we are going to draw a donut with sprinkles. You ready? First, let's draw a big circle over here. Like that. And then I'm going to draw another circle here for the donut hole. Let's do it like that, a smaller circle. Yes, like that. And then now let's draw the icing. You can draw a wavy line like that down here, okay? Like that. All right. Now let's draw the sprinkles. For the sprinkles, I'm going to draw some of rectangles. You know how to draw rectangles. One here, and then connect them. And then let's draw another one here. Straight line going down, and then connect them with lines like that. Let's draw another one. Straight line, and then connect them. Then let's draw here. Straight line, connect them. And then let's draw here. Down here, straight line, and connect them. Let's draw another one here. Let's draw the line going down first, another line, and then close it. 2 lines like that. And then let's draw 2 more here and here, okay? Straight line, connect them. Like that. And then let's draw another one. Last one. Straight line, connect them. There you go. And I'm going to pretend that the donut is on a plate. And then let's draw a circle, a bigger circle around it, okay? That. There you go. And I am going to pretend also that the donut and the plate is on top of the table with a tablecloth. So I'm going to draw the pattern, just simple pattern with lines. So, the plate, tablecloth. I'm using the oil pastel, so later I can color it with the paint. It's just easy. Line going down. Okay, and then line going down. Stop the plate, and then continue here. That's the line going down like that. All right, and then let's do it here. One going down and stop at the plate like that, and continue going down. All right, and then I'm going to make 2 lines going here and here, okay? Straight line, stop, and then continue here, and then stop, and then let's make one here, okay? Here's a simple line like that, and stop, and from here continue and stop. If you want, we can make the lines a little bit thicker. All done. Now we can color.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.